In this video, you will learn how to download and run llamafiles on macOS with instructions for installation on Linux and Windows operating system. Once llamafiles is installed and running, then we will install GPT4ALL on macOS with instructions for installation on Linux and Windows operating system. In the end, we will import llamafiles models into the GPT4ALL. Llamafiles Introduction. Llamafiles lets you distribute and run large language models with a single file. You can run llamafiles on macOS, Linux, and Android with Termux. Now to import llamafiles models into GPT4ALL, we need to have llamafiles models up and running. Kindly note that installation instruction remains same for macOS Linux with slight change for Windows operating system. You can visit llamafiles GitHub repository by typing website address as shown in point of screenshot. You can read quick summary about llamafiles as shown in point of the screenshot. Now you can download llamafiles models after scrolling down in main GitHub repository as shown in point 3 of the screenshot. Now open your download folder and change the permission of llamafiles to make it executable with command shown in the screenshot. Now start the llamafiles with the command as shown in point 5 of the screenshot. Kindly note that process of downloading llamafiles models are same for all three operating systems. For running llamafiles models on Windows, you need to change the extension of downloaded file from .llamafiles to .exe. You can now directly chat with llamafiles at hat localhost as shown in point 6 of the screenshot. GPT4ALL Introduction. GPT4ALL run local large language model on privately on everyday desktops, laptops. No API calls or API are required. You can just download the application and get started. GPT4ALL Introduction is open source and available for commercial use. You can integrate GPT4ALL with various applications for development or production deployment. Now our llamafiles is up and running. To import llamafiles models into GPT4ALL, we need to have GPT4ALL up and running. If you have already installed GPT4ALL, then you can skip the GPT4ALL installation and proceed for step 5 covering import of llamafiles models into GPT4ALL. Kindly note that installation instruction remains same for macOS, Linux, and Windows operating system except the installer are different. You just need to download respective installer for your operating system and double-click installer to start the installation procedure and follow same steps as shown for installation in macOS. You can visit the GPT4ALL GitHub repository by typing website address as shown in point of screenshot. You can read quick summary about GPT4ALL in point and to download GPT4ALL for macOS, Linux, and Windows. You can click on releases as shown in point of screenshot. Now you can download the GPT4ALL installer for macOS, Windows operating system, and Linux operating system as highlighted in point 4 in the screenshot. Once you download the installer, just double-click the installer and follow the installation instruction. GPT4ALL will be installed on Windows quickly. Similarly for Linux operating system, just right-click on installer and click on Run. If Run option is not appearing, then click on Properties and check the box for Run as Program. For macOS also, just double-click the GPT4ALL installer and follow on next step as shown in the screenshot appearing on your screen. Now click on Next button to proceed further. Now click on Next button to proceed further. Now click on the line as shown in point 5 and then click on Next button as shown in point of the screenshot. Now review the application license terms and condition and click on checkbox to accept as shown in point 7 and click on Next button shown in point 8 of the screenshot. Now click on Install button to proceed further. Now click on Finish button to proceed further. Now fill in your option to provide anonymous usage analytics for improvement of GPT4ALL as shown in the screenshot on your screen. Now we have llamafiles model into GPT4ALL up and running. Let us import llamafiles models into GPT4ALL. Now click on Models as shown in the screenshot. Now click on Add Model as shown in the screenshot. Now click on the GPT4ALL option as shown in point 9 and scroll down till you get option for OpenAI compatible and then fill the options as shown in the point 9, 10, 11 and 12 of the screenshot. Kindly note that API key can be any dummy number and model name you will get from start log once you start llamafiles model. Once the llamafiles model is imported, your screen should look similar as shown in point of the screenshot. Now you can expect answer as shown in point of the screenshot. Thanks for watching.